In the world of extreme car modifications, one particular passion project stood out: the conversion of a commonplace sedan into a turbocharged marvel. Car enthusiasts begin by completely overhauling the sedan's engine, replacing the stock components with high-performance turbochargers and intercoolers. The aesthetic transformation parallels the internal upgrades, with striking aerodynamic body kits and vibrant custom paintwork that scream speed and power. Inside, the upgrade continues with racing seats, a digital dashboard, and a top-tier sound system, ensuring the vehicle not only moves, but moves with style and sound. As the final touches are added, this turbocharged marvel stands as a testament to what creativity and engineering can achieve, revolutionizing the mundane into the magnificent.